Hey plant pals, it's Mike the Chaotic Gardener, and today is a very chaotic video on what not to do with your plants. It's summertime. I am neglecting my indoor grows, unfortunately, and this is what happens. This is a sad pepper plant that's dropping all of its leaves. It had flowers all over it. It might recover, it might not. If it doesn't, I don't care. It took maybe 2 months to get to this stage. As you can see, it's dropping all kinds of debris down there, and I had all these stakes because this thing was just overgrowing this entire rack. It was going crazy and falling over, and so I put all these bamboo skewers in here to stabilize it, and it was all growing around the air stone that keeps the water circulating in here. And oh, see, look at, he fell down. Poor guy. Too much chaos. Yeah, so I had a ton of plants that, or rather seed starts, that I was starting to go outside, and I killed them all, so I needed plants to take outside, so I took a whole bunch of plants and cuttings from different tomatoes and things, and anything that was left over I threw into this tub here, and so I had a lot. I had quite a few things growing. They got all the fruit off them and then killed some of them. Some of them died because I neglected them, and so I have a bunch of empty spaces here. What I will do is, more than likely, this thing is done for. I'll clean it out and I'll grow something else in here, and I'll show you that, so you can have the whole process of how this is called a DWC, a deep water culture tub. It's just plant food solution that's in the water. Hi, friend. And a fish tank air stone. That's it. And then, of course, I have some lights, grow lights. I like these. And it was a jungle. And speaking of jungles, this is the one I have down below. This is a serrano pepper plant. So I don't even know if I can get this in the shot. It's a serrano pepper plant that has probably 100 serrano peppers all over the thing. And this was another one that I neglected. Look at that. And it's in another sad condition. And all these back here were things I just removed. There was some tomatoes that I want to swap. Let's see, I technically don't like, I want to grow, like make either just, I want to organize. That's the problem, I'm not organized. I want to grow just peppers in one, maybe just kale in another one. Here's another one that went out of control. These are some kind of pepper. And look at this little guy. Despite my best efforts to be a terrible plant daddy, I got a pepper. I don't even know what it is. I have no idea. It's cute. I'll definitely eat it. Oh, look back here. There's a couple tomatoes that are surviving despite my best efforts to neglect this poor tub. But I will clean everything up, and I will show you what I'm growing as I go. Alrighty, this is what not to do. Keep that in mind. You can enjoy my chaos. Don't follow my example. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.